Now we will learn the principle of dietetics and nutrition in naturopathy. Role of diet in naturopathy. Naturopathy is a nature-based therapy in which natural elements are used to heal a certain elements of disease. It has many important components that come together to create a whole system that triggers the body to heal itself. Elements like touch, pressure, food, and exercise play a very important role in creating a naturopathic environment. Diet is a very important aspect of any health or healing ritual, and the food we eat has a deeper influence on our mental and physical form than we think. Food is a medicine in naturopathic treatments and the key ingredient of healing. Let's start with a simple example. When we consume heavy, oily, or fried food, we feel heavy. When we consume fruits, fluids, and easy to digest foods, we feel light. Heavy or oily food tends to make you feel sleepy and slow, while green vegetables and fruits keep you active and fresh. Our body has an innate sense of knowing what suits us and what doesn't. Part of naturopathy is learning how to get in tune with this intent sense and listen to our bodies. Naturopathy encourages the consumption of food in the natural form, that is raw and uncooked. It is suggested to create a diet that consists of 80% raw and 20% cooked food. According to naturopathy, cooked food has an acidic base whereas raw foods are alkaline. Now, due to accumulation of acids produced by foods in our body, various diseases and eliminates come into action. On the other hand, raw foods and fruits eliminate these acids in the digestive process, keeping the body clean and healthy. The whole idea of a diet in naturopathy is to strike a balance between a diet that suits an individual and their medical history. The diet plan can vary according to a particular ailment a person is suffering from. The root cause of most of the disease is the accumulation of toxic matters in the body. Location of accumulation of toxic matters defines the disease one would suffer from. For example, deposition of waste in digestive system would result in constipation, bloating, gas, etc. Whereas deposition in knees would result in diseases like arthritis, joint pain, etc. Appropriate diet in naturopathy helps in flushing out the toxic waste from the body without any medicine. Essential nutritions. Our bodies are built of and powered by slowly what we eat and drink. Food is a source of all the energy needed. Why do humans have to eat? Is it just because we get hungry? This is not all. People get energy from food. We need energy all the time. When we run, jump, sing, and even when we sleep. We create all the energy we need by eating. The structures, components that make up the human body, such as muscles, organs, and bones, are also composed the nutrients contained in food, meaning that it is. This is why eating and taking the nutrients that provide energy and become the components of our bodily structures is essential to for sustain human life. Nutrients are the substances food found in food which drive biologically active and are essential for the human body. They are categorized as protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals and perform the following vital functions. Building all parts of the body such as muscles, bones, teeth and blood, producing energy, keeping the body in good working order. Proteins. Proteins is found throughout the body in muscles, bones, skin, hair and virtually every other part of tissues. It makes up the enzymes that power many chemical reactions and the hemoglobin that carries oxygen in your blood. At least 10,000 different proteins make you what you are and keep you that way. Protein is made from 20 plus basic building blocks called amino acids. Because we don't store amino acids, our bodies make them in two different ways, either from starch or by modifying others. 9 amino acids: histidine, isoquinone, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan and valine, known as the essential amino acid, must come from food. Get your protein from plants when possible. Eating legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains and other plant-based sources of protein is a win for your health and health of the planet. If most of your protein comes from plant, make sure that you mix up your sources so no essential components or proteins are missing. The good news is that the plant kingdom offers plenty of options to mix and match. Here are some examples for each category. Legumes, lentils, beans. Kidney beans, lima, moong, pinto beans, black beans. Peas like green peas, snow peas, snap peas, split peas, etc. Nuts and seeds: almonds, pistachios, cashews, walnut, hazelnut, pecans, hemp seeds, squash, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, etc. are good source of protein. Whole grain: kamut, wheat, quinoa, rice, wild rice, millet, oats, buckwheat are the examples of whole grains. Others: while may vegetables and fruits contain some level of protein, it's generally in similar amounts than the other plant-based foods. Some examples with higher proteins quantities include corn, broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts and chickpeas. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, there is a myth against many of us that carbohydrates are bad, but carbohydrates are basically sugar and starch. Carbohydrates are critical to support life's most basic function like the production of energy. But we must also understand that carbs should be taken in the right amount or else in the long run will lead to health problems. In fact, our body requires carbohydrates to function well. It provides the body with glucose it needs to function properly. They are a type of macronutrients found in many foods and beverages. Most carbohydrates naturally occur in plant-based foods such as grain. It is very common and very known fact that most Indian food 70% carbohydrates rich होता है. Types of carbohydrates. There are two types of carbohydrates: complex and simple. The complex carbohydrates are found in unprocessed grains such as oatmeal and brown rice, as they contain fiber and other nutrients vital to the body. They are mostly found in plant food. They form the starches that plants use to store energy as well as the cellulose that forms the structure of plants. Complex carbs should make up about half of your daily food intake since they are your body's primary source of fuel. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are a major source of energy for the body and are found in nutrient-dense food, including fruit juices, dairy products. All of foods also contains a substantial amount of vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients. They should be consumed a part of a healthy and well-balanced diet. Foods rich in a white flour and added sugar are called bad carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also divided into three sections: sugar, starch, fiber. Sugar is the simplest form of carbohydrates. It occurs naturally in some food, including fruits, vegetables, milk and milk products. Sugar includes fruits, fructose, table sugar as sucrose, and milk sugar are lactose. Starch. This is made of sugar units bonded together. Starch occurs naturally in vegetables, grains, and cooked dry beans and peas. Fiber. Fiber is also made of sugar units bonded together. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and cooked dry beans and peas are among foods that are naturally rich in fibers. Where are carbohydrates found in the body? Carbohydrates are stored in the body, in the liver and muscles in the form of glycogen. Additional carbohydrates are stored in the body as fat. Foods like starchy foods, sugar, fruits, breads and grains are rich in carbohydrates. Why do we need carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the macronutrients that we need in the largest amounts. According to the Dietary Reference Index, it is said that 45% to 65% of calories should come from carbohydrates. We need this amount of carbohydrate because carbohydrates are body's main source of fuels. They are easily used by body for energy. All the tissues and cells in our body can use glucose for energy. Carbohydrates are needed for the central nervous system, the kidneys, the brains and muscles to function properly. Carbs can be stored in muscles and liver and later used for energy. They are important in important for health and waste elimination. Carbohydrates are mainly found in starchy foods like grain and potatoes, fruits like milk and yogurt, other foods like vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds, cottage cheese contain carbohydrates but in lesser amounts. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates have 6 major functions within the body: providing energy and regulation of blood glucose, sparing the use of proteins for energy, breakdown and fatty acid and preventing ketosis, biological recognition process, flavor and sweeteners, dietary fibers. Fats. Fat is an essential part of our diet and nutrition that we cannot live without. Our bodies require small amount of good fat to function and help prevent disease. However, most of our present fancy modern diets contain a lot more fat than the body requires. Too much fat to the body can cause serious health issues like obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, etc., which leads to heart disease. Like proteins, fat is also essential to human life. Fat provides a cushion to help our vital organs, as without fat our organs would be prone to damage. Fat actually acts as an insulator, helping us to maintain the right body temperature. Dietary fats make food tasty as they often improve the texture of food as well as flavor and aroma. They make food more appealing. Fat enables our body to process vitamin A, D, E and K, which are all fat soluble and vital to good health. Although we need fat, remember that we require only small quantities of the right kind of fats to stay fit and healthy. Types of fat and know the right one to choose. Firstly, fats are nutrients that give you energy. Fats have 9 calories in 1 gram. They help in absorption of fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Fats are widely divided into two types: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats. This is also known as solid fats. This fat is mainly found in foods such as meat, chicken skin, full fat dairy products, butter, etc. Poultry and fish have less saturated fat than red meat. Saturated fat is also found in tropical oils such as coconut oil, palm oil and cocoa butter. Saturated fat can raise your cholesterol. List of foods having saturated fats are like egg yolks, butter, ghee, margarine, etc. Unsaturated fat. This is a liquid form of fat at room temperature. It is mostly in oils from plants. Eating unsaturated fat is better than saturated fat as it helps in maintaining your cholesterol level. Unsaturated fat is again divided into two fats, monosaturated and polyunsaturated. Foods that are rich in unsaturated fat include oily fish, avocados, nuts, seeds, sunflower oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, spreads made from this. These are various ways to eating unsaturated fat. Instead of eating red meat, have oily fish such as salmon, tuna and mackerel. While cooking, use unsaturated oils such as olive oil, sunflower instead of butter or ghee. Make cakes with vegetable oil instead of butter. Why fat is important to our body? Fat is important to our body because it provides us with warmth and acts like an insulator. It supplies us with the most of our energy. By supplying energy, fats save proteins from being used for energy and allow them to perform their more important role of building and repairing tissues. It provides a source of fat, soluble vitamin A, D, E and K into the body and help in the absorption of these vitamins in the intestine. Fat surrounds protects certain vital organs like kidneys, glands and others. It is a part of structure of cells and tissues, especially in our brains. Tips to cutting down on fat. To cut down on fat, do follow some of tips. Instead of frying or roasting, eat grilled, baked, poached or steam cooked food as this consumes less fat or oil. Trim off the visible fat and skin from the meat before cooking. Eat low fat dairy products. Add more of green leafy vegetables or beans in uh, casseroles, stews and curries instead of meats. Measure the right amount of oil while cooking with a tablespoon rather than pouring it straight from the container. Vitamins. Vitamins means essential of life. Compounds necessary for the proper functioning of our bodies are vitamins and minerals to help us develop to see the correctly to shape bones, muscles, skin and organs as well as to help us combat infections. We need vitamins and minerals. Deficiencies in some minerals and vitamins can lead to serious issues. The importance of vitamins in our diet is very crucial. If you ask yourself, why should we include vitamins in our diet? Your answer lies in the fact that they are the main body immunizations. Vitamins are those basic elements that help your body in all its vital functions. Hence, vitamins are super necessary for a better digestion, metabolism, growth and also cell recovery. A proper intake of all the vitamins and minerals in the right amount is a must for the efficient functioning of your body, mind and body. Why vitamins are necessary in diet? Vitamins are natural mixes and individual need in a little amount. Most vitamins need to come from food in light of the fact that body either doesn't create them or delivers practically nothing. Every life form has distinctive nutrients necessities. For instance, people need to get vitamin C from their weight control plants, while canines can deliver all the vitamin C that they require. For people, vitamin D instant accessible in huge amounts in food. The human body incorporates the nutrient when presented to daylight, and this is the best wellspring of vitamin D. Various nutrients assume various part in the body and an individual requires an alternate measure of every vitamin to remain solid. Ideal development and working of the body is controlled by nutrients. 13 indispensable nutrients have been right now preserved, and these nutrients assume an incredible part in boosting, mending wounds, fortifying bones, supporting visual perception and helping with excreting essential food supplements. Irresistible or poisonous components, particularly microorganisms, infections and other can be battled effectively through the utilization of vitamin.